What is the chain stitch, and why is it so important?
It's the foundation of many projects. You need the chain stitch to provide a base that will hold the upcoming stitches together. If you want to make things like hats, blankets, and even amigurumi, you need to learn the chain stitch. So let's see how it's done.
After you make a slip knot, be sure to keep a consistent tension so you get the same size stitches every time. Now, to make a stitch, what you'll want to do is yarn over and pull through the loop on your hook. And that's it. You've just made the chain stitch.
You'll see the chain stitch abbreviated in patterns as a C and an H. In most cases, patterns will indicate the number of stitches needed by using a dash followed by the desired stitch count. It's important to understand what this stitch looks like, so let's take a closer look.
The top of the chain will look like a V. The backbone of the chain looks like a tiny bump.
I hope you found this video helpful. Leave me a comment about what stitch you'd like to learn next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more videos. Thanks for watching.